Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you this one trick makes $1,100 using your ChatGPT as per article for free. So let's get started. So first of all we have to open our Google News. So Google News will give us the latest article updates. So we can just open as Google News, or we can just search as Google News. So here we can see we have Google News. So we can open this. So here we can just go to our Google News. So at the news option, you can see as there are many news, local, business, worldwide. So we will go to, like, here my country is India, so I will select as India news. So I can see these are top news. We can just go to local, and you can just go at news, whichever news you want. So at the world you can see this news are at the top, as you can see. So here we can see we have Arab News, CNN, One News, CBSS News, and here as Financial Times. And we have Canada Immigration News, and we have many news. So these news are published by the articles. For example, you take as Canada Immigrant News. So we'll just click on that news. So here it's opening. So here we can see it is a news article that is posted. So you can just make money using this. So to post this article, this type of article, you can use ChatGPT for writing your content. So we'll open a ChatGPT. So on the ChatGPT, you can just make an account using your Google account and register your account. So here you can just add a extension called as Aprium. So if you want to add, you can just add, or you can just select automatically. So you can just use this. Okay, handwritten handwritten optimized article. You can use this type of things. Okay, so we can just they want to upgrade your account, the one best click. So here we can just to view the prompt source, this is around. So here we can see these are the prompt listed, so they can use it. So I'm using a chat. So we can just uh make here as to write an article on. So let us take as our trending topic. So let us take the uh, write an article on. Let us take Google News at the top. It's a top news. So this is the top news. Five things you need to start. Is loading. So as you can see, this is the blog. Five things you need to start to know how to know your day. So we can just go to chat GPT. Uh, we can just write like in. So we can just start like this. So here we can see the article is here. So we can just see the article is written by the ChatGPT. We can just make it bigger. So we can just see with the bigger space the article. So it's writing the article. So here you can just read this article and see which points are important for you. Or you can just ask ChatGPT to write the article, or to rephrase. You'll just copy the link, and you can ask the ChatGPT to rephrase it. So please rephrase this article. So we can just provide the link. So here you can see it's rephrasing the article. So here you can see the article is here. So the website like this don't write article by itself. They hire the scripter or the writer from the websites. So to target them, we can just search as here as our top sites that pay for your paid writing website. So we can search as top 25 website that pay for writing articles. Okay, writing articles. You can search writing articles. So here we can see top 50 sites that will pay you to write the article up to 20 to $50. So here we can just scroll. So here we can see as we have first as book browser, and we have listverse, and there are many. So I'm telling you one site that you can just apply. The site name is well eating. So eating well. You can just try eating well. So you can say eating well. You see eating well. So eating well is a site that provides you to write the recipe uh, payment. So as you can see, you can just apply here for writer, and you can get a job. You have to just write the mail, professional mail to them, and they can just approve to use you as a freelancer. So you can just like contact on their mail, or it is to about us. So here at the last we can see they have email, I think so. So the credit we can just see the last we can just go. So here we can see they don't are having mail in the site, so we can just find the mails from the other sites. So you can just short them, and you can just apply them according to your uh, field, and you can just use this article. There are 50 article websites, so you can apply it at least at 30. One should accept you, then you are accepted by the one article, like one person. So you have to need to just make your article, rephrase from your chat gpt, and use your brain, rephrase some word, and you can just make money from that. So this website just pay you for like you can see the per article it gives you like a 75 to $400, $50 per article. You can just apply $50, $50, $50, $100. So the price varies to article. As you can see the editor of the, so when you go to NY Times, it will like New York Times. To New York Times is a very big site. Okay, it's give you a $300. So if you come to the smaller sites like here as make a living writing. So here you can see $75, $50. Wow, woman on writing.com. College humor is 30 to 20, 30 to $50. So that varies from your niche also. So this is how you can just earn your money with your writing an article. It is very easy. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.